Edit.
Okay, let's begin.
Compound, a substance composed of two or more elements chemically combined in definite proportions by weight. Mixture, two or more substances that are not chemically united, such as air. Solution, a uniform mixture of varying proportions of a solvent and a solute.
For many of our students, this is the lesson you've been waiting for. Lesson 6.
Left channel. Right channel.
Hydrogen, H, +1. Sodium, Na, +1. Magnesium, Mg, +2. Aluminum, Al, +3. Potassium, K, +1. Calcium, Ca, +2. Chromium, Cr, +2, 3, 6.
Physical